Here are a list of tools I use to remove the front bumper cover on a 2015 Kia Sportage LX model. A cordless ratchet with a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a clip removal tool. And today we have a 2015 Kia Sportage, and we are going to be removing the front bumper cover. One of the first things you want to do is grab you a 10 socket with a cordless ratchet. We have a bolt right here. That's a 10mm. And there's another one on the other side as well. Also have Phillips head screwdrivers on both sides. So what you're gonna want to do is cut the wheel to the left and to the right to give you a lot more space to get a Phillips head screwdriver in there and to take that help you take that front bumper cover off. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go under the vehicle where we have a few more screws here. We have one there, one here, one there, 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 and all the way around. So we get these plastic screws out, and that should help free up the bottom of the front bumper cover to be able to take it off. So let's get those knocked off. This one down here. Be sure to keep up with all of these screws. Okay, we're gonna come to the top and we're gonna unbolt 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 bolts, 2 clips. Make sure you place those bolts somewhere you won't lose them, like up on the cowl. Gonna take a Phillips head screwdriver and kind of gently untwist these clips. Try not to apply any pressure to them because they'll just spin. They'll never come up. Always remember to gently twist these Phillips head plastic screw clips or they will never come up. Okay, now the top of this front bumper cover should be ready to budge. Okay. Also be mindful of these tabs, one on this side and there's one on that side, so you want to pull up on the tabs right here on both sides. Kind of take your hand and put it around here. Okay, we have the top of the front bumper cover loose enough, so let's go back to the sides and try to unclip. Now that we're back on the sides, there is going to be a tab here. You want to take a clip removal tool and kind of pry right in this area here, and that should help release the side. So take your hand and kind of, see if you can get that to pry it loose. Basically want to free this piece here from this piece right here, so it kind of sits into that hole. So you want to make sure to bend it downward a little bit to give you some space to release it. Okay, come to the side and kind of just gently tug until we're able to get the bumper to snap out of the side. So, give it a gentle tug, firm but gentle. Okay, and we didn't break any clips. That's a good sign. So you're gonna go to the other side and do the exact same thing.